Hi everybody, Bloom Stitch Rita here. Welcome to my channel. And I have a lot to share today. First things first, my big journal is still available. I did a video about this yesterday, my big chunky journal. So I did the flip through yesterday. Nice squishy. It is full embellished and stubbed journal. Yes, so it's listed in my eBay shop. A link is below. And the flip through it was yesterday if you wanted to see that. And then my little mini journal is still available too. The petite journal in a case. This little beauty, full embellished journal with lots of goodies inside for you in a hardcover case that I decoupaged. So that is also listed. It's a petite journal in a case. And then finally I have completed 3 sets of covers only. These are ready for you to use for your journals, to make it into journals if you wish. So I have 3 sets and I'll show you each set. So basically what you will receive is a nice and squishy cover on a vintage file folder. That is the base. And then I used, this is beautiful piece of vintage tablecloth. Beautiful embroidery here. And then this is my collage that I have created with lots of layers that is sewn on there. And then this is the inside. So that's all you will receive. You can sew your journal in here and or use this as a folder. It has pockets right here that I sewed. So basically you could use it to store photos, whatever you wish. You know, you can store in here. So it comes with a pack of original and reproduction ephemera book pages and receipts, guest checks, all kinds of other music pages. This little stack will be, there's a postcard here coming with it. And then this beautiful shabby fabric, it's hand frayed, it's over a yard long, will be coming with it to this piece. So that's what's included in this cover set. That's set A. And then we have B here. Well, I don't know if that's how I have them. Just go by the pictures. I don't know if I have them right now. I'm going through them correctly as far as A, B, C, but don't worry about that. Just go by the pictures on my site, my eBay shop. This is the second one again. This is a heavily coffee dyed, this was a curtain, I believe. Beautiful embroidery. And then the inside, this is a different piece, a tablecloth. And this is the cover, little baby. This is a 3D applique. And that's my collage, and it's sewn on here. And again, I have pockets here for you to use, right here. And again, the same items will come with it, same type of items, a stack of ephemera for you to use, book pages, and all kinds of vintage goodies. And then over a yard of this beautiful material that's cotton and shabby. So that's another set. And then the third set is this one. Remember, I just have the 3 sets right now made. This is the third one. That's the inside embroidery. That is the cover. This mom with a baby, vintage picture. This is a really old scarf. It's I cut that from a scarf to make this bow. So lots of layering going on here on this cover. Again, we have pockets on the inside, pockets for you to use, and this beautiful fabric on the back. And we have the packet of ephemera and the fabric, over a yard of this beautiful shabby fabric. So that's the third set, and then I have something else to share. I have 2 sets of these French ephemeras, 25 piece of French ephemera sets. They come in these pouches that I have sewn from vintage materials. So there are a lot of pictures on my website to show what comes with each of these, but there's 25 pieces of ephemera for you to use in your own journals or own projects, whatever you want to use them for. But there's small pieces, big pieces. This is a beautiful piece of vintage earring. I'm not going to show every single piece, just a little peek into what's included. There are 25 pieces total in each set, and please look at the pictures on my in my eBay shop to get a good idea of what you will receive. That's one, this beautiful pouch, and then here's another pouch that I have sewn, and same, not the same items, but they are different 25 piece of ephemera coming to you in this set. And this is the second set that I made that by using a lot of different laces and appliques. And this one has a jewelry piece too. Yes, this one is from a necklace that I broke apart, and please note that the center stone is missing on here. Excuse me, center stone is missing. So that's 25 pieces in here, and that goes in this pouch, which you can use for whatever you wish. So we have these 2 French ephemera sets, 25 piece, and then we have the 3 cover sets. I have the third one here behind me. So yes, and then I still have my big journal, my mini petite journal. So yeah, and I have a lot of other things that I will be working on, lots of ideas. But I'm hoping that these covers will really help you to set the tone for your journal, and to help you, because covers are sometimes challenging to make, and if you have one in front of you, that might help you with your creativity. Please note that my sewing is absolutely not professional. I'm not a seamstress. I am a very messy sewer, so don't expect any of this to be perfect. I'm not a perfectionist, as you know. So thank you so much, guys. I will be back, and you guys have a great rest of your week, and peace out.